Pride.
Grateful.
Determination.
Dedicated.
Readiness.
Service.
Growing up, I would always see the JDF helicopters flying over my house. When I was in grade 3 to grade 4, all of my career days, I had my pilot outfit, my pilot suits.
Personally, I've always wanted to be a pilot, particularly a helicopter pilot, because I went to a primary school just like a mile south of the airfield.
Our motto at the Jamaica Defence Force Air Wing is "We fly for all," and we live by that day after day.
The JDF Air Wing is here for the nation.
The primary one is casualty evacuation or medical evacuation in support of the Ministry of Health, firefighting operations to assist the fire brigade, and also VIP transport, especially for members of government. We have a mixed fleet of a rotor wing platform, Bell 429, which is primarily responsible for the operational roles, and the Bell 505, that is primarily responsible for initial training. We try our very best to maintain the highest professional standards there is in terms of serving the people and proficiency, and that is why we train. We train very hard.
Putting on this flight suit, having this wing on the chest, I wear it with pride, knowing that when people in Jamaica need help, one, Bell will be there, and I'll be there with Bell, helping them out whenever they need help. Inspire.
Standards.
Resilient.
Fly.